Hey everyone, it's me, Joseph Peretz, and you're watching my video series on how to build your own ADU garage conversion. Now, what is the biggest mistake homeowners make when framing their ADU? Stay tuned to find out. But before you frame your ADU, you have to design an ADU. I have designed and built over 50 ADUs in the past year, and I also do construction in the greater Los Angeles area. So if you have any questions at all about architectural, design, or construction, go to my website, josephperetz.com, for all ADU information. It's linked down below. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps a ton. Now, what is the biggest mistake homeowners make when framing their ADU? Let's check it out. In this week's video, we are going to be talking about the framing of your ADU garage conversion. This garage is an existing 370 square feet. We are converting this garage into a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom ADU. Framing is really important. The first thing that I will tell you is that most of the framing material are gonna be 2x4s, 4x4s, nothing really bigger than that. So if you see on your plans that you have crazy framing, talk to your engineer, talk to your architect. But just in general, guys, 2x4, 16 inches on center, nothing crazy here. We have ceiling joists up here, and we have our existing roof rafters. Basically, all of our roof rafters are existing. Our ridge beam is existing. Some garages you can use existing roof framing. Some garages you can't. It's obviously going to be much more expensive if you have to do a new roof. In this case, we did not. But with regular garage conversions, we want to make sure more basic, more easy, more fast, more cheap, more efficient. The biggest mistake homeowners make with framing is actually designing with specialty lumber. As you can tell right here, I have 2x4s sitting on 16 inches on center. I have 2x4s here. Some I have 4x4s. My headers are 4x4s. These are all basic for wood frame building. I'm not designing anything crazy. None of my walls are 2x8s. All of my joists are going to be regular sizes. It's really important to not overcomplicate the framing process. Obviously, you want to talk to your architect, drafter, or engineer when it comes down to this. But remember, basic lumber, basic design, it's going to save you a ton of money, a ton of time, and you'll be in and out of plan check because this is wood frame. We already know all the details. We don't have to re-engineer what an ADU is. Thanks again for watching the video. If you like what you just saw, I offer a comprehensive course on how to build an ADU garage conversion as an owner builder. Just go to josephperetz.com for all your ADU needs. The course is going to save you thousands of dollars and hours of headaches. And again, remember, like, subscribe, and share this video. Comment down below anything you need for your ADU. And check out all my social media. Again, guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and I'll catch you on the next one.